In today's video, I am going to take you through my 4 a.m. morning routine. By the time I wake up, it's still dark outside and you can hear crickets chirping in the background. And then I stand for a few minutes in the balcony and allow the cool morning breeze to really wake me up. Then it is time for some tea. It's not necessary that I have tea every day in the morning. I just follow this practice of having warm water first thing in the morning. Usually I have it with lemon, but today I didn't have lemon, that's why I went for Earl Grey tea. The days on which I am not feeling particularly energetic, I opt for pranayam instead of running on treadmill. Every day I choose one corner of my apartment and I clean it. Today was the day for my work desk. Then to complete the arrangement, I poured some essential oil, jasmine essential oil, onto the potpourri because aromas and scents are my happy elements. I was in two minds regarding taking off Diwali decorations, but eventually decided against it and continued with the decoration because I really love the feel of lighting diyas in the morning. After some further tidying up, it was time to start my morning reading. Today I was reading Saying No to Jugaad, which was essentially the story of Big Basket and the culture that prevails in Big Basket. It's kind of an interesting read. I got to meet the author in IIM Ahmedabad and had received a signed copy. Have been struggling to finish the book because I keep on oscillating between different books, but hopefully will be able to finish it by next week. By the time I finish my reading, sun finally comes out revealing a very clear sky, and around the same time morning aarti in the mandir below my house begins. Then it was time for my next tea. I had a particularly busy week at work, and that's why I couldn't reply to many of the recent comments that I was getting on YouTube. And I allocated some portion of my morning time to reply and read all the comments. As it had been some time since I last cleaned my laptop, before starting my work, I got on to cleaning my laptop. Now, this is the most important part of my morning routine. I prepare a to do list for the entire day. That includes everything that I have to do for work that day, everything that I need to purchase, what I am going to cook for the day, and also if there are certain things that needs to be done for YouTube and otherwise for my personal self care as well. This helps me immensely in staying organized throughout the day and lead a productive life. But at work front, I prefer getting an early start. That's why I start my work at around 6:30. I personally feel that dedicated continuous 2 hours of work in the morning helps me in getting a lot more work done compared to scattered hours throughout the day that I get in between meetings. That's why I focus all my attention and prioritize the task that requires a lot more focus and complete it in the morning hours before the work hours start. Then I go on to prepare some breakfast for me. Nothing fancy because my office is generally about to start at around this time and I want to have a relaxed morning while enjoying my breakfast. That's why I don't dedicate a lot of time in preparing something and generally reach out for something that is very easy to prepare or ready to eat. Then I enjoy my breakfast with a side of Christmas movie because I love watching them, particularly this at this time of the year, and I feel that they are filled with a lot of optimism and good vibes, and that's really great to start a morning with. Thereafter, I am back in kitchen where I cut some fruit slices to prepare infused water. I tend to drink up a lot more water when I drop some slices of fruit in it. Today I am preparing something which is a mix of orange slices, some grains of pomegranate, and on top of it I am going to add some cinnamon powder. This really helps me out in completing my daily quota of a minimum of 3 liters of water. The final step of my morning routine is to prepare a cup of coffee that can carry me through all the meetings until lunch and before I get distracted and prepare something again for me. So in the meantime, that is it. Me and my coffee and my laptop and my work day starts from here.